Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel.
Friends, in today's video, we are going to tell you a simple method with the help of which we can convert sand into gardening soil quickly. This video is very useful for those people who live in a coastal and a desert area and want to do gardening. If you live in such an area where the land is sandy, then by following the steps mentioned in this video, you can convert sand into gardening soil and grow plants in it. The topics we are going to cover in this video are as follows. First of all, we will tell you that why it is difficult to grow plants by using sand. After this, we will tell you that how to prepare sand for converting it into soil. And at last, we will tell you that how to convert sand into soil. Here, I would like to request you that this information is very useful and to understand it, please watch the video completely. So now, first of all, let us start with the topic that why it is difficult to grow plants in sand. The biggest difficulty in growing plants by using sand is due to the poor quality of sand, which is caused by the following four reasons. First is that the sand does not have the capacity to hold moisture for a long time. Second is that the sand does not contain any amount of nutrients. Third is that the structure of the sand is very loose. In such a situation, it cannot support the roots of the plants and the plants do not remain stable. And the fourth is that the temperature fluctuation of sand changes very fast. It becomes very hot when gets the hot environment and gets very cold when gets the cool environment. Due to this, it becomes very difficult for the plants to survive. These four factors are the ones that make sand very bad for gardening. And if we can improve these four factors in some way, then we can easily convert sand into gardening soil and grow plants in it. So I hope you have understood well why we cannot grow plants in sand. Now we will start the second topic, that how we have to prepare the sand to convert it into soil. So for this, we have to take the sand and clean it properly with water. For this, we will take the required amount of sand as we need, and now we will add clean water to it and mix it well. By doing this, the salt particles would be present in the sand will dissolve in the water. And now we have to separate this water from the sand. And after this, we will dry this sand in the sun, and after drying it completely, we will improve it for gardening. So when the sand dries completely, then we will start the last topic, and now we will convert it into soil. And for this, first of all, we will take the same amount of coco peat as we have taken the sand, and we will add it into the sand. Now we will mix it properly like this. When the coco peat and sand are mixed properly, then we will add vermicompost. For this, we take vermicompost equal to the sand and add it into the mixture. And after this, we will mix everything again. When all the things get mixed properly, then our sand is ready to use for gardening and we can grow our plants in it. Now, all the points related to the poor quality of sand are improved. Now it has the capacity to hold the moisture for a long time and it also has the same nutrients like natural soil. Apart from this, now the structure has also become a little compacted that will support the roots of our plants and our plants will remain stable. And finally, the temperature fluctuation will also reduce and now it will help our plants to get proper growth. So, with this simple technique, we can improve the poor quality of sand and convert it into perfect soil for gardening. I hope this information will help you, and for any query, you can write us in the comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.